All right, this video is going to help you with how to use the hot glue guns in my room, how to be safe with them, and to score a 25 out of 25 on your hot glue gun safety quiz. First of all, you need to make sure your hot glue gun is plugged in. It's got to be plugged in for at least 5 minutes in order for it to work. So if you plug it in and you've waited about 30 seconds and you're squeezing on the trigger and it's not working, it's because the glue is not heated up yet. You got to wait 5 minutes. Okay, safety stuff. Never touch the tip or the hot glue that's coming out of the glue gun. You will get burned. Okay, that is very, very hot. So if you do get burned, the first thing you should do is run over to the sink and run cold water on your burn. You should not come over to me and tell me you got burned. You are just wasting time and your burn will get worse. You should go over to the sink and run cold water on it. We're keeping the glue guns on the green mats at your tables or whatever color mat I've given you. We're not cutting or messing with these green mats. You can see some students have done that on some of them. I'd like to try to keep them as nice as possible, so please leave them alone. We're doing all of our gluing on the green mat. So that's where the glue gun is kept at all times, and any pieces that you're gluing, you bring to the green mat at your table, and that's how you assemble. You should not be gluing anything on your project until all the cutting has been done. Whatever project we're working on, you need to cut all of the pieces before you glue, because once you glue it and you start cutting pieces that were glued, they will fall apart. So for the treehouse project, for example, you would want to measure your walls to make sure they're all the same size. You would want to cut the windows and doors out of your walls, and then you're ready to glue them. Here are our refill sticks for the hot glue gun. These are different sizes. So all that means is that the shorter ones don't last as long as the longer ones. And I have different types, so it's just whatever you get. These are kept at my desk. You have to ask me for glue gun stick refills. You can only get one at a time so that we're not wasting them. If I find that glue gun stick refills are leaving my room, then you will no longer be able to use the hot glue guns. So how we add in a refill, and actually this one needs a refill because we can see in the chamber right here, we can see that when I go to squeeze it, no glue is coming out, even though it's heated up. So I know it needs a refill. Okay, that's a sign right there. This has been heated up for 5 minutes, so I know when I go to squeeze, if no glue is coming out, I need a refill. So I'm going to carefully just push this into the back of the glue gun like that, and you can see now the new stick meets the old stick. And then when I squeeze the trigger, this works as kind of like a conveyor belt. The trigger, when I squeeze it, it pushes the new stick into the old stick, and then glue starts to come out. Okay, so that's how the mechanism works of the hot glue gun. We should never stick anything else in the back of this glue gun except for the glue gun sticks. We're not cutting the glue gun sticks. We're not sticking scissors in here. If I catch people doing that, again, you will lose hot glue gun privileges. That sums up our glue gun tutorial. I'm excited to see what you build with hot glue in the art room. Make sure you take the hot glue gun safety quiz before you access the hot glue gun supplies in the room. Good luck.